Hey guys, Wagwan! Wagwan now people. Yes people, I have an epic video. This one is Hanumankind go to sleep, youth. But people do not sleep right now. You understand? Please to subscribe to me, you understand? Hanumankind. Y'all check out that big dogs. Y'all check out that big dogs, bro. Yes. He did it. He did it, trust me. You understand? He get that hit out of big dogs, bro. Big dogs. You understand? Money in the net. Yes. He's tough, bro. Hanumankind is a great artist. You understand? He's from India. Some people say he is from Mexico. You understand? Oh Mexico, Japan, bro. Some people say he's from Texas. He's from Japan, bro. Stop the cap. Bro, stop the cap right now, bro. You understand? Stop capping. You understand? This guy is from India, bro. You understand? Hanumankind go to sleep, bro. Let's get right into it. But before we get right into it, guys, I need everyone to go over here by Lex. You understand? Ear Design by Lex. Go over her page right now. Yes. And DM her and you get your fresh ear style. You understand? Yes, she do every design in the world. You understand? The best ear design person. You understand, people? Yes. So let's get right into it right now, people. Let's get right into it right now. Let's see what Hanumankind got. Do remember, this video is 1 year old though. Let's see if it's still popping in 2024. Let's see, bro. Let's see.
If I had $1 every time I was the underdog, I'd be living on an island made of solid gold.
Bro, this flow, like, he have the flow long time, bro. This guy have the flow long time. Because this is the same flow in Big Dogs. You understand? In that new video, that new song, bro, it is the same flow.
For all the times that I felt I wasn't good enough, I'll be balling now, man, like I own the world. Sometimes Nirvana do not feel like it can be achieved, mainly cause I try and find it in a pretty girl, or in a bottle while I'm rolling up some sticky green. Instant gratification versus the perfect world. No, I don't need your validation, I just need a break. Fuck a Kit Kat, homie, this ain't nothing sweet. Feel like a bounty on
bro,
my
I
head.
feel the same, bro. You understand? I'm vibing the same, bro. This guy got lyrics. You understand? And even in his lyrics, bro, like, it's storyline there, bro. You understand? Big shout out to Hanumankind. He did it again.
That shit coconuts got me dipping at the party cause I need a sleep. I'm Jeff Hardy off the top.
Bro, this song is still rapping in 2024, bro.
How we manage it.
Bro, Go to Sleep is still the hit in 2024, bro.
Tempo on the rise, a lot of wear and tear.
Guys, leave your comment, leave your comment, leave your comment.
About it when they fucking scared. Now I've been at it from the AM, call it Project Mayhem. I can't tell you what the fuck it is I do. Got some shit that's in the basement, and if you just keep patient, maybe you can get yourself a decent view. Tired of feeling complacent, tired of feeling vacant. Inside of my head's a never-ending loop.
So I guess this guy love graphics, bro. You understand? Like, he love visual. You understand? Because his video is so unique.
I'm just tired all the time, man. Guess it's good night for the time being. Go to sleep. Maybe all this shit was just a motherfucking dream.
Guys, do not go to sleep right now on me. You understand? Please subscribe right now. Subscribe. How it go? Ding!
Go to sleep.
Dog.
Maybe all this shit was just a motherfucking dream.
Bro, so I guess Hanumankind is that big dog long time, bro. He's the big dog long time, bro. And he's trying to tell you guys long time, bro. Long time, bro. So yo, this song say go to sleep and he wake up the world right now in 2024. You understand? He wake up the world with Big Dog, bro. At first, this guy say go to sleep now. Everyone is wake up now. Big Dog.
It's a burden when you live with Tyler Dirt and he keep knocking on your window, so you find yourself observing even when you wanna rest. Cause rest assured he be determined to show what you have been facing when you're racing with the vermin. It's a rat race daily. What we chasing is disturbing. Never's happy chewing scraps of whatever that we've been learning is deemed worthy to impress us on the standards they are serving. Yes, I'm talking about these people who invest.
He's not gonna stop. He's not gonna stop, people. He's not gonna
Your
stop.
service, I spoke coffee on my chest and now I feel it on me burning. I don't care
bro. Hanumankind got lyrics, bro. Yo.
I deserve it, I'm a piece of shit, the verdict. Knock the teeth out of your mouth if you feel froggy like you Kermit. And this ain't magic, I'm not Merlin. Got
That's tough, bro. That is tough.
bunch of people
Tough like
swirling
stone.
inside the urine. Doesn't matter what I said, it doesn't matter how I'm working. Only thing that really matter in the end. I've been at it from the AM. Cali Project Mayhem. I can't tell you what the fuck it is I do.
Bro, shout out to that person that edit this video, bro, or Hanumankind video. You understand? Shout out to that graphics person, bro. That edit is tough, bro. This edit is tough, bro. Hilarious edit,
Maybe you
bro.
can get yourself a decent view. Tired of feeling complacent, tired of feeling
Bro,
vain.
this transition is
Tired all the
amazing.
time.
Trust me, bro. This transition is amazing, bro. I give this transition from 1 to 10, 100. Not even 10 out of 10. 100 out of 100, bro. You understand?
Guess it's good night for the time being. Go to sleep.
This song is tough.
Maybe all this shit was just a motherfucking dream. Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Maybe all this shit was just a motherfucking dream.
What is happening? Bro, this is tough, bro. I guess he have the same cinematic effects in Hanumankind, in Big Dogs, bro. He got the same cinematic effects in Big Dogs. It is the same look. It's tough, bro. Tough. Bro, this guy is tough, bro. I have lyrics, bro. And all his lyrics, bro, is like there's a storyline. You understand? Yes, he's not capping, bro. This guy tough like a stone. People, y'all reach the end of the video. You understand? Please to subscribe to me right now. This is Silk Reacts. You understand? Yes, the best Reacts channel in the world right now. You understand? No cap, bro. Do not cap right now. Just leave your subscribe before you go to my next video. You understand? Please and thank you. Okay? And be safe out there in the world. God bless you all. Okay? Yes, people. I'm out.